Hey, what's up friend? We are going to unbox MNTD Goldspot miner by RAKwireless today, and also we are going to talk about outdoor 8 dBi antenna setup and whatever tools you needed. As you can see, I have all the tools on my right hand side and left hand side, all the accessories that we will need to set up the outdoor antenna. So I'm not going to talk about anything about Helium miner. Since you were here and you are watching this video, I'm sure you know about Helium miner. So we're not going to talk about Helium miner, but we're going to talk about step-by-step setup process about this MNTD Goldspot miner, and also we will cover outdoor 8 dBi antenna setup. So without further ado, let's unbox our MNTD Goldspot miner and all the other accessories, and we'll walk you through the step-by-step setup process. This is the RPS main male adapter, and here you have Ethernet plug, and also here, as you can see, you can use USB-C type power cord, and this is the Bluetooth button, and I'm sure this one is 2.3 dBi stock antenna. I'm not going to use that because we're going to install the outdoor 8 dBi antenna, but we will use it for the initial setup. This box, you have adapter, see, this is This is anti-lightning adapter, and it's must needed to protect your house from lightning. So this is the 12 AWG 20 feet solid copper ground wire. Helium 400 low loss cable that you are going to use it for outdoor antenna setup. Pack it really well. Here you go, 8 dBi fiberglass antenna, and it supports 900 to 930 megahertz, and I got it for $60 from RAKwireless. is a duct seal, probably we might need it. And this is zip tie from Home Depot. And this is staples for wood, so that when we run the coaxial cable, that basically this will secure the cable so that it should not swing it on. And this is clips for the earth ground cable. I got this Wingard Universal 22-inch mount for TV antenna from Amazon, just for 28 bucks. I bought this 5-inch screw from Home Depot. Let's install the stock antenna to configure our miner. This is the RPA adapter where we are going to install our stock antenna so that we can configure our MNTD miner. Let's connect USB-C power adapter for MNTD miner. Now it's the time to configure the Helium app. I already installed the Helium app. Now it's the time to configure the MNTD miner. So just follow the instruction from the screen. Here you need to set up 12-word password for your Helium wallet. Once done, then you will have to confirm all that 12 words Helium password, and after that you will have to configure a password which is different than the 12-word password passphrase. Now from your Helium app you need to update hotspot, where you are going to set up a custom antenna. Since we have a DVI, so you will have to select the custom antenna and you select the TX and RX gain, which should be 8 dBi, and height as I install it on the roof, so it is 12 meter high and only you have to just submit it. Once you are done, just start the location, then you are good to go. Now it's the time to set up the DBA antenna, and before I climb on the roof, I assemble the DBA antenna on the mount. I switch the ground cable connector, and the one you can see with bronze color, I bought it from Home Depot, and this one is pretty good because it has a little terminal. As you can see on the screen, this one I got it from Home Depot. As you can see on the screen, you know, the bronze color terminal, I got it from Home Depot, and it's heavy duty and it's easy to connect the ground cable. I bought this professional grade rubber tape from Home Depot and it's by 3 a.m. I recommend to use scissor when you are cutting this rubber tape. I also bought this Super 33 Plus electrical vinyl tape from Home Depot. The idea is to make the connector waterproof, so that's why we're double taping. Now it's the time to install it outside. So let's go outside and install it. The mount and the antenna is little heavy, so I felt like from the roof side it would be easy to install it. Since I'm not a professional and the height is almost more than 35 feet, so I recommend you hire a professional if you are not comfortable to install it. Don't take any risk.